Okay, bachon, let's have a look at this question. This is from October, November 2001, paper 1, question 14. The graph is a cumulative frequency curve showing the marks gained by 300 candidates in an examination. Use the curve to estimate. Okay, first of all, what is the data in the question? That is what I always stress on. Marks. If you cannot identify what the data is in the question, then this topic is of no use. Marks. Imagine there are the marks and all the students are standing in ascending order with their marks. Cumulative frequency curve helps you estimate it. ये सबसे कम मार्क जिस बच्चे का है वो यहाँ खड़ा है and the one who has scored highest is standing at the 300th place. Does this make sense? So consider these as positions and the students are standing in ascending order. Cumulative means total and these are the marks that they have got. This is the position and these are the marks that that position student has. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Okay, now the question wants us to find the median mark. In a cumulative frequency curve, median mark is the mark that is in the middle position. That is in the middle position. What is the middle position? If there are no, what is the middle position? What are the total positions? 300. 300 ka middle is 150. Remember, 150 is not my median. The marks that I will get on 150, 110, 20, 30, 40 and 50. The mark that I will get on 150, please observe closely. 150, ये जो मेरे marks आ रहे हैं, this is my median. So what is my median mark? Write it down. A part 1, the answer is median mark is 50. October, done. Okay, part 2 says the number of candidates. Now listen, read the question, because if you are not focusing on the question, you will not be understand what is happening and why is it happening. The number of candidates who gained 33 marks or less. Students who gained 33 marks or, now the question has told me marks which are 33. How will I read 33 from this one? Observe. This is 30, 32 and 33 will be right in the middle. So when I read 33, the position that I get on 33, that is, what is the position on 33? 10, 20, 30 students have got 33 marks or less. Because it is in ascending order. So I get 30. This is, लिखते जाओ साथ साथ, A का part 2 is 30. The first one, the answer was 50, median is 50. And the second one, it is 30. It is given that 70 candidates achieved a grade A. First of all, tell me these 70 will be the high achieving ones or the ones who have achieved low marks? High. So I should be searching for these 70 at what positions? At the top end or at the bottom end? Very good. At where? Top end. I'm telling you, consider the cumulative frequency curve as if everything is arranged in an ascending order. So these 70 will be somewhere in the top end or bottom end. Where? नीचे होंगे. These will be the ones getting the 7th A grade. जो top end वाले होंगे, they will be getting the A grade, right? The question said 70 students. So 70 मुझे नीचे से read करना है या ऊपर से read करना पड़ेगा? 70 positions from the top. Is this clear? दोबारा बता रहा हूँ. Consider, imagine it as if the students are standing in an ascending order, starting with the lowest marks and going to the highest marks. तो जो 70 होंगे मुझे lowest वाले में मिलेंगे और highest वाले में मिलेंगे. Highest वाले मिलेंगे. So top से 70 read करूंगा. Top से 70 जब read करूंगा तो what will be the reading that I'll get? 300 से अगर 70 नीचे आ रहा हूं तो 230. So 230 पे when I read, what is the mark? The mark is 60. So what is the mark that is required for A grade? Why 70? 60. Understand the data and the position. Is this clear? Okay, the 50 students were also asked how long each took to travel to school. The results are summarized in the table below. Now, what is the data in this question? Time to travel to school. Very good. And the data has been grouped for you. Fourth to sixth, there are 21 students. Then 11 students who took between 6 and 8 minutes, 13 who took between 8 and 10, and 5 who took between 10 and 12. The question wants us to draw a frequency polygon. इसमें वही हिस्टोग्राम की तरह ही लेते हैं, बट हिस्टोग्राम के मिड पॉइंट्स ले लेते हैं सारे. क्या ले लेते हैं? मिड पॉइंट्स. तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू लेबल इसमें. Let's see, we are not given with the x-axis. We can start with 4 और हम लेबल कर सकते हैं. 4 से ही शुरू कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट. नो नीड टू वरी. 4, 6, 8, 10 and किसी को कंफ्यूजन है तो थोड़ा आगे से यूज शुरू कर लो, कोई मसले की बात नहीं. इफ यू वांट, देखो 0 से शुरू कर सकते हैं हम. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. अगेन हमें जरूरी नहीं था 0 से शुरू करना. एक्स एक्सिस में wherever our data starts from, we can start from there. 8 होगा. 8. Make sure the entire data is covered. Now you will be plotting their midpoint. 4 और 6 का midpoint क्या है? 5 और उसकी frequency is 21. So 5 and the frequency is 10, 20 and 21. Same thing obviously, but we can see 4 or 6 का middle is 5. Sabih will get the same thing. But why are we doing this for? Which figure? Frequency polygon. 6 till 8, the mid value is 7 and the frequency is 11. So 7 पे frequency is 11. And then 8 to 10, 9 है and the frequency is 13. 9 पे 13 and midpoint is 11. 11 पे it is 5. And then for frequency polygon, you just join them with straight lines. And now in order to enclose the polygon, आप जहाँ से शुरू करते हैं तो आप वहाँ कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. कुछ जगहों पर आगे भी कनेक्ट होता हुआ मिलता है और जहाँ लास्ट आपका डेटा है वहाँ पर आप इसको कनेक्ट कर देते हैं तो आपका पूरा पॉलीगॉन बिकम्स एन एनक्लोज्ड फिगर. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगॉन. व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड? कुछ क्वेश्चंस में आगे और पीछे भी कनेक्ट होता है और कुछ में जहां से डेटा शुरू और एंड हो रहा है वहां पर भी कनेक्ट होता है कि दिस इज योर डेटा वाज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 4, यू स्टार्टेड इट फ्रॉम 4 एंड यू आर एंडिंग इट एट 12. इज दिस क्लियर? तो इसी के बीच में दिस इज हाउ योर डेटा वैरीज, दिस इज हाउ योर फ्रीक्वेंसी वैरीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगॉन. यस, एनी क्वेश्चन?